Looking for the easiest way to keep your phone and laptop screen spotless? Check out this all-in-one screen cleaner set. It's a portable cleaner with a built-in spray and microfiber wipe. No need to carry separate bottles and cloths. Just spray and wipe, and your screen is instantly free from smudges, dust, and fingerprints. It's pocket-sized, super handy, and perfect for travel. You can keep it in your bag, car, or even your pocket. Safe for all screens: phones, tablets, laptops, monitors, TVs, even car displays. Reusable microfiber wipe and refillable cleaning fluid, which lasts for 200 sprays. Compact design, but powerful cleaning. If you're tired of dirty screens, this screen cleaner is a must-have gadget. Say goodbye to fingerprints and hello to crystal clear screens. Try it today and make your devices shine like new.